What is inflation? Inflation is a very important topic to understand. So basically inflation is when a currency loses its purchasing power and prices of goods and services go up. So you are probably asking, how does that happen? So this happens when a central bank, for example, print more money and inject them in the economy. Therefore the currency will devaluate due to the increase of money in the market for a simple reason: the supply and demand effect. For example, if a country decide to increase the minimum wage, more money will be flowing in the economy, so this will create an increase in consumption of goods and services. And this will result in an increase in demand. So demand will become greater than supply. And this will make suppliers raise their prices, and thus inflation is made. Another example is, increase in wages will result in an increase in the cost of production within different institutions, companies or factories, so on and so forth, and thus prices of those goods produced will increase. And inflation is made. So thanks for watching. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.